Hey, how's it going? This is Pete with Stone Glacier. I'm out here on a solo November deer hunt. Just shot a nice 4x4, and I'm going to show you guys how to get this entire boned out deer plus the cape and antlers loaded into your Stone Glacier load shelf. I've got a solo 3600 here that I'll demonstrate with, but the process of utilizing your load shelf is identical across all Stone Glacier packs. So first step is to undo your load lifters as the straps from shoulder straps to top of frame. And next you want to work around and disconnect everything from frame to bag. In between the frame and the bag there's one downward facing tension lock to be freed up. But we work around disconnecting everything from frame to bag, loosening up the bottom tension locks. The bag can now be taken off of the frame and butterflied apart and laid completely flat. Next step is you want to loosen up the load shelf to take this big bag of meat here. Got the load shelf loosened up. I'm going to take this entire boned out deer. This is 4/4, neck, back straps, and tenderloins, all in this game bag. And the idea here is to orient the meat up and down the frame sheet, vertically distributing the load against your back. So that's looking pretty well distributed. Before I flip my bag back, I'm taking my cape and antlers with me. So I'm going to put those on top of the meat. Just kind of folding up the cape neatly, placing the head up towards the top here. My bag is going to become my compression panel against the meat and head to hold everything to the frame sheet. Off the back side of the frame sheet, there's some long straps up top that are going to tie into your old load lifter connection. So long straps off the back of the frame connecting to your old load lifter connection points. I'm doing these in between the antlers to keep the head centered while I hike. Cinch those down. The next task is to reconnect all the straps from frame to bag. So going around on all the straps from frame to bag and reconnecting things and getting things started to be tight all the way around. This first go around, we're just doing things kind of loosely, getting everything in place. There's 3 connections on the left side of the frame, 3 connections on the right, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. Everything's loosely connected right now. Now's my opportunity to work around and cinch stuff really tight, anchoring the meat against the frame and eliminating the possibility of that meat slouching down to the bottom of the load shelf and becoming an odd load as I hike. So this process of locking things into place is very important. Just work around on all the straps and make sure everything's snugged up. Last thing to do is connect the load lifters. We have a new strap, new tension lock exposed on the front side of the frame sheet that the shoulder straps go to. And that is how it's done. Got an entire Montana mule deer loaded up in my Stone Glacier load shelf with the cape and the antlers as well. So that's how you do it. After this, the work begins.